be doing the front of my sub install. On one side I'm going to cut a 13cm circle, and the other side I'm going to cut a rectangle so you can see everything through it. To do this I'm going to be using one of two devices, either my Dremel router plunger or the circle cutter. For this I think I'm going to try this because it's the first time I've used it. So what I've done is I've measured from the bottom of the sub upwards to the centre, roughly here, which is 18cm. Obviously with every install you do it's going to be different. And on the piece of wood I've measured from the bottom up 18cm, and then because the circle is going to be 13 diameter, I've measured from the centre point. Let me mark it. So I measure from that point there down 13cm. Yep. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my plunger and Dremel into it. Okay, so that's that all set up. Right, so with the line from here to here, I'm going to punch another mark just here so I can set my Dremel. Okay, so what I've done is I've measured from here to here, which is 18cm. From here to this point is 13, which is going to give me the circle. I'm going to use this, my Dremel router plunger. I'm just going to set it up. What you do is with this little tap that comes in the kit, tap it down with a hammer. That creates your pivot point. Then when you, let's move this. These up once you get it set to where you want to cut. Get plugged in. Okay, so with the face mask on, we're going to start cutting. Take your time with it. You should always plan to try and pass in 2 passes. This is 18mm thick. I'm going to do it in 3 stages. I'm going to go down a few mil at a time until I'm through. Okay, as you can see, I've moved the table over off camera. So I'm going to make the final 2 passes around here. So that's mask on. Let's crack on. what I'm doing right now is I'm adjusting this side to be able to stop it going too far down, and I'm going to make the final pass. So final pass is the last one now. There you have a 13cm diameter hole. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go around the edge with a bezel piece, so you get a nice rounded edge. So there we have it. That's our 13cm hole. I'm going to test fit to see what it looks like, and then we'll clean up around the edges, make them rounded with a bezel piece. Got a pack of stuff. Got a pack here with some different Dremel parts in. We'll use that. Let's have a little test fit, shall we? Here it comes. I don't know. For some reason I pictured that a little bit better than that. But I don't know, maybe it'll look alright once it's all carpeted. I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. I'm going to finish it all off anyway, just to see what it comes out like. But for some reason I pictured that better than that. Down the back here, there will be some red LEDs running to light it all up red, both sides. So that'll be something. Let's get back up. Let's crack on.